Heads up, Power BI users. New updates are here, making your reports smarter, visuals more dynamic, and your overall experience more seamless. Here's what's new across Copilot, reporting, modeling, and data connectivity. Copilot and AI, Copilot pane user experience update. The Copilot pane in reports and apps now has a refreshed, consistent look and feel. Functionality remains the same, but starter prompts now disappear once your conversation begins, keeping your workspace clean and focused. Reporting, AI narrative auto refresh. No more manual refresh clicks. With the new auto refresh toggle for AI narrative visuals, summaries automatically update based on slicer selections, making your reporting smoother and more intuitive. Modeling, direct lake in one lake, generally available. Power BI continues its push toward open data standards by supporting Delta Lake and Parquet. This helps reduce data duplication, avoid vendor lock-in, and establish a true single source of truth. Plus, Direct Lake mode delivers faster performance directly from one lake, no need for heavy data refreshes. Data connectivity, IBM Netezza ODBC driver, generally available. A more reliable path forward for Netezza users, Power BI is transitioning from the embedded Simba driver to the IBM Netezza ODBC driver, ensuring long-term support and stability. Visualization, Sankey chart by PowerViz. The PowerViz Sankey chart brings data to life with dynamic flow visuals, perfect for understanding movement across categories and uncovering insights in complex processes. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.